So I come to the store and it has a dollar rack outside. So everything on these two racks are $1. So today I'm going to be selecting something from this rack. So I end up grabbing 4 pieces from the dollar rack, but obviously in this video I am doing a DIY on these jean pants.
$15.62 is your change, and would you like the bag?
Yes, please. So first I'm going to start off by getting a ruler, and I'm going to be marking lines. They're about 1.5 inches, just so I know I'm cutting evenly and straight. At this point, I didn't know how far up I wanted to cut, so I was just keeping it safe until I figured out what I wanted to do. Now I am cutting on the lines up to where I marked them at. Now I'm going to go up and cut up a little bit more. I'm slowly getting the feel of how short I want the shorts to be. And now I'm taking each piece that I cut originally and I'm cutting those in half. Now honestly, you could stop here if you wanted to, but I wanted to take it up another notch. I decided to bleach mine, so I went outside on my porch. This is my back porch, and this rug I don't care about, but I got bleach and I poured it in certain spots, and as you can see, it started taking more and more. One thing I learned is to stop bleaching and rinse your pants off as soon as it gets close to the way you want them to be. I also added little cuts on the pockets. I really love these pants, shorts, whatever you want to call them. You can wear them to the beach, you can wear them out, you can add heels, put a cute little crop top on. And as you can see from it being washed, it added more fringe and it added more of an edge, and I love that too. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next DIY.